Now, before I stop, I want to talk for 2 minutes about the talk I'm giving next month. The talk I'm giving next month is attunement and attachment. How we're wired to love. Lots of studies have been done. Incredible amount of research has been done about how infants attach to mothers, and mothers, fathers attach to infants. And the research continued and found that the same principles about how infants and mothers and fathers attach apply to how lovers attach. Same brain circuitry, same principles applied. Also, how a mother attunes to a child, how a child instinctively attunes to a mother, right hemisphere to right hemisphere. That's been studied. And there's ways of accessing those attunements and practicing them. And I'll practice some of them next week with everybody that comes. Helps us relate better. And those principles extend throughout the lifespan. And knowing that those principles also apply to all the sexual stuff. Because all the sexual stuff is surrounded by attachment and attunement. Attachment and attunement work completely with each other. And they're very instinctive. They're very right hemisphere. Most of our connections with other people happen 40, 50, 60 milliseconds outside of conscious awareness. Most of our relationship tonight has been nonverbal. Most of it. 60 to 80% of it. Happening on a very, very, very tiny, tiny basis where we're attuning to each other. And so I'm going to talk about that next week. It'll be great. Thanks for coming, everybody.